Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today we are going to do is stack implementation using array. Now first of all we know like what is array, like this we define array. Okay, this is like data type, this is array name. I'm writing in short form so that we can cover fast. This is array size and here we write as like elements. Okay guys, now we know like how array will allocate memory. It's like 1 2, suppose arrays of 5 size, it's like this is like size of this is like 4 into 5, it's like 20 bytes. But in case of stack it is like this. As we all know, stack representation, it is like this, it is like this, like we are having like 0th element, first, second, third and fourth, 0th, first, second, third and fourth. Okay guys, we are having like this when we are inputting data stack in like 1 2 3 4 5, and when we are getting out it's like. Now today we are going to implement stack using array. Okay guys, in this stack using array we will be working on different function of stacks we have discussed in earlier video also. In this we will be discussing about like push function, pop, and then we have peek, then we have display. We will be discussing one by one about these functions and their functionality. Push is for entering data, pop is for fetching data, and we have peek is for topmost element, E is for element, and display is for display like stack. We have to display stack. Okay guys, first we are going to work on push. So let us see some functionality of push. Before entering into push, let us first discuss about how to define a stack. Basically you can use, for suppose fixed site stack, you can use like macro define, as we all know, n5. Okay, and you can define stack is like array int, you can take stack and you can define it by n. Okay guys, and you can say it is like int top, we is the top element -1, by which we check the stack is full or not. You can define stack, it's like this. Okay guys, this is our stack, this is we are checking like stack is full or not, and this is size of stack, SOS is size of stack. Okay guys, you can define stack size by your own also. You can, there is no need to use like macro you can define by your own also. Like I'm defining here stack int stack of 5 elements I'm defining, or you can say like n. If you define by your own, you can define by your own also. And I'm writing int top equals to -1. Okay guys, now first I'm doing is push function. So void push. For pushing into stack we need an element, so we take like suppose int item, which we have to push into the stack. The item is that thing, so int item, and we have like printf enter value, and then we have scanf for scanning that value, and then we have end of item, we are scanning item at here, and after that we are checking like suppose our stack is full or not. Like हमारा array होता है, array का हम साइज चेक करते हैं कि उस साइज से n तक चलाते हैं लूप, तो हम वही चीज़ बेसिकली चेक करेंगे. टॉप हमारा इंडेक्स है जिसपे हमें वैल्यू डालनी है, टॉप इक्वल्स टू n-1. ये भी चीज़ मैं बताऊंगा कि n-1 ही क्यों लिया है स्पेसिफिक. printf stack overflow means stack is full, else in else we are having is top equals to top plus 1, and you can say inside else we are having one statement also, stack of top equals to item. Okay guys, this is our push, like how we are pushing that element in stack, and let us check line by line also. First we have taken element which we have to push. Okay guys, then we are printing that, scanning that element. We are checking top equals to n minus 1 because top value is starting from minus 1. As you all know, array index start from 0. So what we have to do is do it 0. So as we all know that it is running minus 1 by size. It is like first we are checking minus 1 equals to like 4. No. Then we are checking like it is running one value less, like here is 0, here is minus 1, so here is 1, 0, here is 1, so it is running one value less than that. That's why we are checking n minus 1 till. Okay guys, you are now able to understand this thing. Now we are going to work on pop functionality. Now we are having a function void pop. Okay, in this we will check like it is element, then when we have to pop, it should be like greater than, the top should be greater than 0, because if top is minus 1, like suppose if I write condition, if top is minus 1, so there should be like printf, and you have to like display is underflow. Underflow means stack is not having any element. It is like suppose you are having a stack and I am fetching that element, there is no element to top, basically top, initially top is like minus 1, so it is that for that condition that stack is not having any element. Okay guys, so what we have to do is like if it is having not, so it will display this, and suppose it is not having this thing, so else printf %d stack of top. Okay guys, and you can do is top minus minus at here. Okay, this is for fetching data. If it is like underflows, like no element is present, suppose here is 1, 2 and 3, and I want to fetch 1, 2 and 3, so top here is 0, 1 and 2. First it will do top minus 1 underflow. No, top is not minus 1, so what will do, it will display the topest element. Topest element is like 3, it will display 3, it will go top minus minus, then it will display 2, then it will display 1, then top minus minus, then top value is minus 1, then it will display like underflow, like it is not having any element. Okay guys, now we are having is void peak. Peak is displaying topmost element. Void peak. In void peak, basically we are doing is checking the same thing. If top equals to minus 1, then like when we are doing is like printf top equals to minus 1, we also know like it is underflow, like stack is not having any element. And in else condition we will printing the element of topmost element. It's like stack of top. I think you are able to understand like what we are doing. Basically, let me clear you. We are having a stack. In early condition, we are like we are putting some element in stack. So how we are putting this element in stack? If top is our minus 1, so what it will do? It will first check, do a top 0, then it will enter an element, then it will do top 1, then it will enter an element, then top 3, then enter an element. Okay guys, it is like that thing. It is for push, it is working like that, and for pop it is working for like that. It is getting 4, then top minus minus is getting for 2, then it is getting for 1, and after that it is displaying like stack is overflow, not underflow. Okay, for pushing it is displaying overflow. When I am entering one more data and it is like top is equals to n minus 1, that condition, then it will displaying underflow. Okay guys, Now let me show you how to display the stack also. Void display, and you have to do is like for, you can display stack is like we are having a stack 1 2 3 4 and 5. You can display from here also, and you can display from here also. Suppose I am displaying from like topmost element first, so I equals to top, and I should be greater than equals to, you can say is 0, and I minus minus, and then I'm printf, then %d I'm doing, and then stack of high. Okay guys, this is a program for displaying the stack. We have done is like push. You should put these function inside like switch case, and then you can like do better. Like you have to make a switch case, and switch case is like choice 1 for push, choice 2 for this, and you can better work with these functions. Okay guys, thank you.